Hey YouTube, what's up? With me here is the beautiful, ever young, stay good from back in 1998 when show at Miss Universe. It's Wendy Fitzwilliam. Hi people. Okay, hi people. I'm Dutty Berry. I've never really gone to Trinidad Carnival.
Could you imagine?
Yeah, and apparently it seems that it's quite an activity and it's quite a lot of fun.
And thanks for reminding me.
But I don't think I have the stamina for it.
You emphatically have the stamina for it.
I mentally...
You have to learn how to chip, which is another term.
To chip down the chipping down the road with my own woman. Not there on...
Yes, so that's the secret to Carnival, you know. Trinis don't go hard. We work our waist a lot.
Oh.
So you know,
so
like,
ease.
yes, you see this whole like when Jamaicans dance beautifully, and it's much more
you don't have people
emotionally charged.
You don't have people like jumping off speaker boxes and.
We have that too, but not all the time. Most of the time, so like Trini woman, you can have a conversation with a woman, and she's just from her boobs up, no movement, and her waist
just on the chair,
like a maniac, because we are conserving energy.
That's why you get a bill at the end of the month.
And so
then you get a bill and your body just gives you a bill like, hey, you're going too hard this month, so let me conserve.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's how we're able to keep going. You know, like, so when you go to a Trini Fete, you really see, you know, you guys have these dances upon the river, upon the bank. Ours mainly jump and wave, move to the left, move to the right. Yeah. Large.
We go all out.
And like, wine, break out and wine.
So by the time I listen Palance one time, that's it. I now don't know more. Like
so even when we Palance, like as I look at you guys, the emotion is so raw. It's so much. You put your
yes.
Like every Palance.
Yes.
You say Palance.
Yes, that's all you.
Yeah. No. Palance.
No, we're supposed to, if we're not hitting over people and then, you know, a piece of our legs gets sprayed or something like that.
That's how we do it. And then on the road, you know, you'll see a friend, we greet each other by rubbing genitalia, you know, whining.
Oh, so you said that's a nice Wendy. By rubbing genitalia, boy. Just rubbing genitalia.
No, but you know, we would see someone we know, and that's when on the street for Carnival. Most of the time when you're Carnival, man, you're tripping.
Wait, Wendy, question.
Tripping.
Question. Can you whine?
Yeah, of course. But
I'm just saying, no. So what happens when there's a Trini girl that can't whine? Like I always wonder, what is that pressure like? Like that one Trini girl that probably can't whine and people expect. So when there's music playing,
but she goes down the islands, DDI, for Carnival, or so what you would call country, the North Coast.
Oh,
she
wow.
dissipates.
Because you just wonder what's that life like. It's like, oh yeah, man, where are you from? Trinidad? Alright, why?
Surprise, you know, and that I find wonderful about our culture. Everybody participates in Carnival, you know, from our Prime Minister. I mean, he's played sailor for years. I have a ton of pictures.
Yeah, that man, if that not going to Jamaica.
Correct. So, you know, and our first ladies, our last president. You know,
I had kids
before this one.
like in terms of participating so much in Carnival.
Oh yes, Alan started to play mass. My son, before his second birthday, he was in Katie's Carnival, and not because I was frontish. I had that too, frontish. And put him in the parade, the Kiddies Carnival. He said to me, Mama, I want to dance with you. I want to dance with you in the streets. I was like, what? 2 weeks before Carnival, so I had to find him a costume and a little band. And he had a ball. He's been doing it ever since.
He had a ball.
Yeah.
He's been doing it ever since.
Yes, and it's intergenerational. So like my band, Hearts, whom I've played with for the last 20-something years, my mom used to play with me. All the time. She stopped when Alan was born. Alan plays with me. You know, it's just...
And then next year, I'm going to be there.
Dutty is playing with me.
I'm going to be there. Oh, Jim, now you have a headline for the stars. Say, oh my God, I'm playing with
but you
Miss
better
Universe
be ready.
19. Oh gosh, I'm going to be real ready. I'm going to be real ready.
No.
No man, I'm going to work by the time you see me next year. I'm going to be like...
Everybody focuses though in their Carnival preparation, the non-Trinis, in working out.
So where
you have to practice drinking and holding it well. Pacing yourself.
Yeah, I can't
because that will lick you up. If you cannot hold your liquor, and if you think you have to
pages,
correct, you have to binge at the start and then you're dead for the next 2 days, that cannot work. It's all about pacing yourself. Pacing yourself in the wine.
Okay.
Pacing yourself in the consumption of liquor.
It's too hard. It's too hard.
No, it's very easy. Once you get to Trinidad, you fall into the vibe. It's super duper easy.
Okay, so
because it's just fun. It's unadulterated fun.
It's work. Here, people work. Partying should not be work.
It's
work.
not work. It's a ton of fun.
Well, anyway,
and there's no pressure.
Okay.
If you want to see, I did this once. Carib, our beer company, introduced a beer called Carib Strong, which was a bad idea, but a great idea. It was like white rum and beer combined. Madness.
Yeah, that would have me on the floor.
Correct.
Yup.
We don't drink to get drunk. We drink to just be sweet, to have a good time. My friend, that carnival they introduced strong, Juve morning. I used to go to this fete at Boy Scouts back in the day. We would do that first and then go meet our Juve band.
Yeah.
And I woke up at my carnival band house, my parade band house, on the grass at about noon, sleeping at the band house. I was like, how did I get here? And then I saw photographs of her with my college friends. I said, Kathy, but I didn't drink any Carib Strong. She's like, oh really? My girl, this was before mobile phones. My girl pulled out her photographs on her digital camera of Carib Strong in the two back pockets of my cut-off jeans.
Wow.
A bottle
and
of
nobody
clothes under
remembering what happened.
yeah, one to my face. I mean, I had beer coming out the wazoo.
Not doing that. Not doing that.
Never again. Yeah, that disappeared from the market after that concert.
I don't drink because of that, because every time I drink I end up, there's a video because I get very
key at Trinity Carnival, you must
pace
yourself.
I get wild. I get like,
so you drink
I become, you know, American Spring Break?
Yeah.
I get like, whoa!
You see, but so that's why you must pace yourself. You have a beverage, an adult beverage, or two.
I'm not that disciplined.
And water.
Because I'm going to tell you, if you bring me water, I'm going to tell you I don't want no water.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going to be so turned. I'm like, I don't want water. I'm just going to throw it away.
Oh, really?
And then you're going to start snap me, and then the next thing I know, I'm on shade room.
Alright, but then you...
Yup.
But the beauty is you don't need to drink.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't drink after Juve. I don't know how people drink in the hot sun.
I know people do.
Like, I would die. I would never be able to make the 2 days if after Juve I had adult beverages. So I just drink water on the road and I have a licking good time. Every time. Every time. I've never not had a boil.
I'm still upset that you're in Jamaica so close, saying I'm going to at least be at road.
To do the job. Okay.
They say it's a reason to come back.
Yes.
Well, yeah. So I can go. So next year I'll go to Trinity Carnival and then you come to Jamaica Carnival.
Yes.
So that's the swap. That's the deal right here. Yup. You heard it here first, people. So we'll see who is the bad bargain, who didn't, and the person who didn't, you know.
Be careful. I can hold my own. Okay.
Oh, wow.
I've been doing this before.
Oh wow. So whosoever doesn't hold up their end of the bargain has to put up a 1 minute video whining.
Oh Lord.
Whining. Just whining for 1 minute. So any song of the other person's choice. Yup.
Any song of the other person's choice?
Any song.
Like, I know I won't lose, but if I lose...
No, I'm saying I know I'm going to win.
Just make sure it's Marsha.
Oh, okay. I'm going to find a nice song.
But you can never out-party me.
Oh.
I want to be clear.
You don't know about the competition now. Competition will get me, you know, like...
And you just told me your weaknesses.
Oh wow! Oh.
Yeah.
You see how woman stay though, people.
Yeah.
You see how woman stay them listening, you know, and I'm just like, all right, just in case.
Correct.
Just in case. Wow,
Carefully
Wendy.
filed.
Wow, Wendy. You know, when I was putting your name a while ago, I see Wendy Williams, I see your name, and I see Wendy, the fast food shit. I was just like, are these the three? There are no other Wendy's in the world. It was just, they just came and was like, Wendy Williams, Wendy Fitzwilliam, and then Wendy's. Okay, I'm like, okay. Well, you can't be a mad and afraid for dropping your heels.
Correct. You
How
you mean?
Oh, there's a video. One video that you can send me. I can insert right here.
Thank God. No,
Burritos.
No.
Just go around, just ask people. You might have a video of Wendy over here falling. It would make my day. On stage, it would be nice.
Never felt during Carnival.
Yet.
Yet.
Oh gosh. Well, that is it, people, for the training challenge. How was it for you?
Fun.
People, you must take a training card. Actually, I have to Google some of the stuff there. I'm just telling you that. And how you felt that I did? How much was the 10 you'd have given me?
I'm like a soft judge when it comes to these things, Barry. And you did do very well using the banker, horn a woman, and horn a man, and doo-doo darling in one sentence. You get a resounding 8.5 from the not so tough Trini judge. Because you have to work on the accent. For real.
So tell me how to, so I want to say, well, that is it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment. So tell me how to say that with a Trini accent, Trini flavor. Say, and I repeat
because
it.
we sing song, right?
Oh,
so the end of our sentences go up and up. So that's it.
So
guys,
that's it.
Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching this video.
And comment below.
We'll
see you in the next one.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye, people.